Burdock is a plant native to Europe and North Asia, but now it can be found all around the world. Although all parts of the plant can be used, the roots are the most beneficial and are eaten as a vegetable, and used to make delicious herbal tea. Medicinal properties of burdock have been known for hundreds of years. The way that this tea is made is by extracting burdock roots and drying them in order to be steeped. Apart from being a delicious herbal tea, people drink burdock root because it is very beneficial to our health and overall well-being. It contains important nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, fibers, magnesium, potassium, manganese, folate, phosphorus, calcium, iron, copper, zinc and many others. Benefits of burdock tea. Number 1. Skin care. Burdock is enriched with healing properties. Therefore, it can be used as a safe, natural remedy for various skin conditions. The main skin diseases include psoriasis and eczema. Moreover, it is also effective for dry skin. People use it as a home remedy for acne and skin ulcers. Using burdock regularly will lead to healthier and clearer skin. Number 2. Hair problems. If you think that you have tried and tested many remedies for your hair and there is no change, give burdock oil a try. Today, many people are facing hair loss problems. Burdock will help you to reduce hair loss and promote hair growth through conditioning dry scalp. An unhealthy and dry scalp will always increase dandruff. It will not only reduce dandruff from your hair but also try to eliminate itching. From now on, use the homemade conditioner from burdock for your hair and leave the other expensive hair treatment problems. For the best results, make sure that you apply it to your scalp as well as consume it daily for better results. Number 3. Treating liver problems. The health benefits of burdock for the liver are attributed to the powerful antioxidants found in the plant. Burdock contains phenolic acids, quercetin, and luteolin, all powerful antioxidants that help protect your body from free radicals. They work by helping push toxins out and by boosting the ability of the liver to remove toxins. There are those who suffer from hepatitis and cirrhosis of the liver, also liver damage caused by acetaminophen. The consumption of burdock root tea can promote liver health and facilitate cellular regeneration. Number 4. Cancer prevention. Burdock root tea is rich in antioxidants like luteolin and quercetin. Burdock root tea reduces any risk of cancer. The herbal tea prepared from burdock root bears anti-mutagenic property. Such powerful nutrients can eliminate body toxins, prevent mutation of cells, and thereby reduces the chance of cancer development. Its potent inhibitory effects inhibit the growth and development of tumors. Number 5. Aphrodisiac property. The traditional usage of burdock root tea is that of aphrodisiac. The extract of burdock root is found to have aphrodisiac property which enhances sexual functioning. It is used for treating sterility and infertility in China from the age-old times. The underground tuber of burdock plant, the burdock root, is a fabulous medicinal herb. Since thousands of years, the root of burdock is used as a blood purifier. When this aphrodisiac was administered on rats, it increased the sexual behavior of male rats. Its aphrodisiac effect is all due to the prominence of alkaloids, flavonoids, lignans and saponins. The extract of burdock root helps in the treatment of infertility, sterility or impotence. Number 6. Decongestant. To relieve cough and cold, you may consume burdock root tea. It is a fabulous decongestant and expectorant. If you show symptoms of cold, cough and flu, just prepare burdock root tea and consume hot. This will give relief from cough and cold. Drinking burdock tea can help alleviate the symptoms of cold and flu as it targets mucus and phlegm directly. Its antimicrobial and antibacterial property is worth considering. Number 7. Kidney and blood cleanser. Burdock root is an efficient diuretic, meaning it stimulates kidney function naturally, encouraging the excretion of toxins. This helps cleanse the kidneys and prevents water retention. Because kidneys filter blood toxins, burdock root indirectly purifies the blood. Burdock root has active ingredients that have been found to detoxify heavy metals from the blood, improving organ health and the health of the whole body. It also promotes blood circulation to the skin surface. The late Dr. Sebi was a controversial Honduran herbalist. Sebi supposedly used burdock plant as key ingredient as part of his detoxifying cleanses. This has been the 7 benefits of burdock tea.